Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. Battlebox mission number 51 has arrived. Let's check it out. We've always got new subscribers jumping on and learning about Everyday Tactical Vids, so I've done a lot of unboxings, but I want to let you know again that Battlebox has moved away from themes for every month, so it's just gear at the different levels. So it's basic, advanced, pro, and pro plus, from 25 bucks to 50 bucks to 100 bucks to 150 at the highest level. And at the highest level, you're always going to have the knife of the month, so some sort of cool cutting tool is going to be part of what you get from your Battlebox subscription. All right, the first item is this. It's from K-Bar, as you can see. It's their spork knife. I think they called it a tactical spork. I do have one of these already. Basically, I'll open it up here. But I'm not going to use this because I think I'm just going to do a giveaway of this one, because I've got one of these. I think I might have bought it on my own, actually, off Amazon a while ago. But let me just show you without opening up the box completely. You've got the fork / spork end, and then inside the handle is a little serrated plastic blade. So yeah, that's a cool little item. I think they value it at like 8 bucks. So yeah, you can throw this into your kit, well, for camping, a bug out bag, bushcraft, whatever it is. So that's item number 1 at the basic level. All right, our second item is this. It's breakthrough military grade solvent, and basically it's a way to, clean stuff. And they do note on the card that they include that it's not going to stain wood or plastic materials. You can use it on Cerakote. You can use it on, I think it says, let me read this real quick, laser grave or laser printing, hydro printing. So yeah, always good to have something to clean up gear with. I think I'm gonna actually keep this in my car, because every once in a while I gotta clean something off, and it's nice to have a tiny little bottle. So I'll keep this in my my little grab and go bag that I keep in the car. So that's item number 2 at the basic level. So that second item, the spray, is valued at $8.95. The third item is valued at $4.99 for 2 of these, and it says eat your coffee. So basically you've got 2 of the caffeinated snack bar fudgy mocha latte, and I'll give you some of the info on the back. 180 calories, 6 grams of protein, 12 grams of sugar, 7 grams of fat. Basically, rather than drinking your coffee, you can eat your coffee. So little snack there. Throw that into a bag for future use. Your last item at the basic level is this. This is from Lord and Field, and if I understand it correctly, Lord and Field is kind of the bushcraft old school line from Battlebox, and this is the dungaree knife. So I've got another one of their knives that I keep in my bushcraft bag. Here's this, and that's, looks like, yeah, I mean, it's canvas micarta, but I guess it's actually, it says denim, right? Doesn't say denim here. I think it's called the denim. Let me check. Yeah, so it's a denim micarta folding knife. So there's a look at the handle there, and it is a liner lock. So the other one's just got basically a tension lock. So this one does lock out. Cool little pocket knife, and I love that they include all the stuff from Lord and Field in these cool little like the knives that included in these cool little containers, so you can keep it in there, or you can store other things in there as well. So that's valued at $39.99, and that's all your gear at your basic level. All right, I had to dig into this one a little bit to understand exactly what it is. It's from ReadyMan, and it's the Foreign Object Removal Tool, FORT, so the FORT. So basically you've got this little setup here. You got alcohol prep pads, you got a pair of tiny little, with a very fine point, tweezers, and then you've got, looks like these are shears or scissors, yeah, scissors there, with not a super aggressive end, but not super dull either. Let me just put these away without stabbing myself first. And then you can see you've got like 2 more slots here. What I've done is I've taken those tools out, and let me show you the 4 tools. So you've got a very pointed end there, you've got a little loop there, you got a loop made out of, it looks like probably some sort of like high-grade fish line, and then it looks almost like a ballpoint pen there. So this one is magnetized. So just to show you that real quick. Yeah. So the idea is that if you get something in your eye, your ear, somewhere on your body that's hard to get out, you've got these 4 little objects to remove it. So very cool little medical object or medical tool. And the cool thing about the ends is that you take these off, you unscrew them, and you can put it back inside like so. Yeah, cool little tool. FORT, Foreign Object Removal Tool. And when you keep it all stored up, basically all the tools are stored inside the tube like that. So that's your first item at the advanced level, and that's valued at $39.99. This second item is from Going Gear, and it's a pretty sweet little driver bit set. So take a look at that. So there's all your bits, and there's your the driver of the driver bit set. And this is valued at 15 bucks. So let me just open it up and show you. So That's your driver. Let me just pick one of these out. It's funny because I feel like this happens all the time. I get a piece of gear and oh yeah, I have a spot to use that. I was just trying to fix a towel holder in my bathroom, and it's got a tiny little flathead screw that holds it in place, and I was like, oh, I gotta go out to the shed and get my flathead screwdriver sets, the tiny little ones. But now I've got this, so I'll keep this one inside and I keep that one outside. So let me just attach it like so. So there's your little flathead, and then this spins, as you can see. So as you're doing this, you're not having to readjust your hands. So that's cool. For 15 bucks, good deal. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 24 different heads, different bits there. You got star bits, you got a triangle bit, you got Phillips, you got flat. Yeah, that's really cool. So tiny little driver bit set valued at $15. This is great to have. If you don't have one of these, I would definitely encourage you to get one at some point. And then looks like we got a little tiny pair of, these are tweezers here? Yeah, like tweezers here, I guess, for other repairs. If you don't have a little driver bit set, I definitely encourage you to get it. I mean, there's tons of ways you can use it, and it's always like when you need it, you're like, oh, I don't have it. But for 15 bucks, it's nice to have one of these. And now I'm pretty sure I still have one out in the shed for outside stuff, but now I've got one for inside and for outside as well. So at the pro level, you're gonna get this. It's valued at $49.99, and it is a trail cam. I just got a cable for a trail cam I already have, and I was just saying in a video recently that I want to go put it in a more remote location. But now I got this, so I can put one kind of in the woods behind my house and then one in a more remote location. And then they also include your SD card. So 16 gigabyte SD card, they label that as free. So look at the images there, daytime and nighttime. So yeah, it comes with a couple bungee cords, Wild Game Innovations from the Terra 10 Extreme. So yeah, that's at your pro level, valued at $49.99, and now we'll move up to the Pro Plus level. All right, at the Pro Plus, All right, at the Pro Plus level, you're going to get a knife, and this is the Condor Huron. So that's that right there. New thing they've been doing for the last probably year and a half is this inlaid braid. Yeah, so it is 1095 high carbon steel. They used a lot of 1075 in the past. They still do, but this is a new steel, or newer steel using 1095 for them. Let's see, is that? I think they're going to call this the Condor Edge. Probably is what they'll call it. I'm just checking the edge again. I would put a little bit more of an edge on this. Here's your sheath. Just drop that in. Rides nice and deep. Condor sheaths, especially the leather ones, I find to be really good. So no issue with that guy coming out. Cool little belt knife. Again, I'd sharpen it up a little bit more. Nice lanyard hole there. Can fit some paracord on it. I got large size hands, so I'm not chopping with this thing. Obviously, it's just going to be more of a detail tool. They're valuing this at just over $84. All right, Battlbox Mission 51. That's it. Some of my favorite items. Like I said, I've already got one of these, but I do like the K-Bar Spork, and it's a cool little item for very inexpensive. The bit driver set for like less than 15 bucks. I think that's great to have something like this available. It says 25-in-1 bit set tool on the back. So yeah, I mean, that's just great to have one of those for a variety of purposes. And then the Huron, I do like this knife. Handsome knife as far as a little belt knife, and again, nice sheath that came with this. And the Fort too. I'm gonna actually roll this into my first aid kit. I've got a video for a VanQuest pouch that's built for first aid, and I'm gonna roll this into it. So it's gonna be another item in that first aid kit. But yeah, every once in a while you get like something in your skin. You're like, I gotta get that out. So now you got this little setup to do that. And here's a look again at the Huron from El Salvador. See if you can see that. Yeah. So as always, I want to hear what you guys think about this Battlbox mission. What do you like? What would you change? Additions? Tell us if you're subscribed to Battlbox or another subscription company as well. And I'm just getting caught up with a bunch of videos that I had to get taken care of. But it looks like I'll be partnering with Battlbox, hopefully in the future, to put some kits together and get out into the woods to actually test them. Battlbox supplied gear, and then headed out into the woods to use them. So that should be fun. So yeah, let's hear your thoughts. start that conversation in the comment section down below. Alright guys, thanks as always for watching the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.